Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device because an unpaired, unlocked watch is the only acceptable return. First, charge it above 50% so diagnostics complete. Then open the watch app on your iPhone and unpair. This creates a backup and erases the watch. Make sure activation lock is removed by signing out of your Apple ID. Once done, record the serial number and any return authorization code Apple provided. These steps prevent delays and ensure the watch can be processed immediately on arrival. Once the watch is erased and documented, package it carefully because transit damage voids returns. Place the watch and charger in the original box or a padded mailer with anti-static wrap. Include the printed return authorization and any required ID copy. Seal the package securely and affix the prepaid Apple or carrier label exactly where instructed. Also add a fragile sticker if available. This ensures carriers handle it properly, and Apple can match the shipment to your return quickly when received. You finish by shipping and confirming receipt because proof is everything. Drop the sealed package at the designated carrier or schedule a pickup, then monitor the tracking number until delivery confirmation. Keep screenshots of tracking updates and the proof of drop-off. Once Apple receives it, they'll process the trade-in or return. If something goes wrong, contact Apple support immediately with the watch serial and tracking number. This lets them reconcile lost or delayed returns and speeds any credit or replacement you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.